Okay, my finally done. Now, who else? My fellow, I'm gonna sugar it was my digital parents, all my friends. But next time you are all us, I will kill you, friends. But what should be a fucking job to destroy all the universe?
Guys, are you okay? We finally did. Yes, I think the crocodile was just to feed. Do you want you see this SOS? Yes, I know.
Wait, what's that?
It's over here.
Here. Oh God. Wait, that is so funny. Wait, I don't have new planet gears.
Whatever. I have no plan. Wait, you want freaking job? You fucking get out! Oh shit! I'm too fucking Philippines, man!
Let me alone.
Wait, what is that? Shit! Why is my feet hurts? Oh goddamn it!
Bro, that thing is so funny.
Cállate, ¿estás loco, amigo? No necesito una advertencia de vergüenza, deja de hablar de eso.
Wait, I have But maybe next time, the next episode.
Okay, my dear friend, how do you attend? Dear Hey, hey, I'm your best friend. What is it, idea? How?